Hello, some viewers. How are you all? Welcome back to another video. Guys, in this video, we are going to discuss wait until. So let me create one spec file. I'll just add waitUntil.js file. Okay. So here, let me add one simple code. But guys, also I'll try to add an HTML file. So just let me copy this, paste it here. And I'll rename it as this waitUntil.html. Okay, let me copy this code, Control C. So let me go to waitUntil here, and in the body itself, let me add the code. Okay, so this is the code which I have added. In the waitUntil, what I'll do, so let me copy this, let me paste it here, and also I'll try to add, wait for clickable, I'll try to add the describe. So waitUntil is also very, very helpful. Let me add this also. So U should be capital here. That's it. So waitUntil.html. So it will try to find some text. Now I will try to add this in package.json. So wait for clickable will be there. So wait until. So let me explain you the code. If you go here, I'm trying to launch this particular HTML website. I'm trying to find this someText element. In that, I'm trying to wait until I get this. I am different. npm run test run. Okay, let me click for enter. So now this will launch the browser. So now it will load the same HTML document which I have added it here. So I'm some text it found out. So it was very quick, right? Why it was very quick? Here we have given set timeout to 1 second. Okay, let us give set timeout to 3 seconds. Okay, that some text should be there for 3 seconds. And here also we have given up to 5 seconds. That is totally fine. Let me run it again. So I'm running again now npm run test run. So it will launch the browser. You can see the text would have been changed in a second. So let the Chrome browser be launched. So now it is launching the Chrome browser. So you can see some text is there. It is now different and it has now passed. So in this scenario, you can use wait until for the text. Okay. Hope you have liked the video, guys. If you like the video, please click on like. If you're a new viewer, please click on subscribe. Till then, guys, take care. Have a great day. Bye-bye.